Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, nalalapit na po ang darating na eleksyon sa May 12. So, alam niyo na po ba kung ano yung inyong mga precinct number sa COMELEC? So, kung hindi pa, ito po yung video para malaman kung paano nyo hanapin ang inyong precinct number sa website ng COMELEC. So, let's proceed. Hello guys! So, sa Google search, type in nyo lang comelec.gov.ph precinct finder. So, ayan. Tapos, select nyo lang itong pinakauna under COMELEC na website. Select nyo. So, ito lang po makikita nyo, precinct finder, online searching of voter precinct. So, meron ditong disclaimer. And then, basahin nyo na lang yan. And then, select continue. Ayan. Sabi dito, please provide the requested information. So, yung voter information nyo, kung saan yung inyong location. So, sa akin, local or Philippines. Kung overseas kayo, lagay nyo overseas. And then, dito po, if you fill out nyo lang po kung ano yung first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, place of registration. Tapos dito naman yung city or municipality. And then, select nyo itong verify, you are human, and then search. Lalabas po itong confirmation. And then, sabihin niya, are you sure you want to proceed with the information you have entered? If there are corrections that have to be made, you may still edit your information. Select nyo itong edit na to kung meron pa kayong babaguhin na corrections. Pero kung okay na kayo, then select proceed. Bali, ito na po yung inyong polling information or data. Makikita nyo dito yung inyong complete name, date of birth, yung place of registration, yung polling place, and then yung inyong precinct number. So, ito na po yung precinct number nyo. Pwede nyo na yung copyhin. And then, makikita nyo dito yung status nyo, which is active